Sleep. It's a fundamental human need, as essential as breathing, eating, and drinking. From the moment we're born to our twilight years, sleep accompanies us, a constant companion in the ebb and flow of life. Yet despite its ubiquity, sleep often remains a mysterious realm, a period of time we surrender to without fully understanding its profound impact on our waking hours. Think about it. We spend roughly 1/3 of our lives asleep. This begs the question, why is sleep so crucial? What intricate processes occur while we're blissfully unaware, our minds adrift in a sea of dreams? The answer lies in the fascinating science of sleep, a field of study that has revealed the myriad ways in which sleep shapes our physical and mental well-being. From the moment our eyelids flutter closed, our brains embark on a meticulously choreographed ballet of activity, clearing out toxins, consolidating memories, and rejuvenating our bodies. Sleep is far from a passive state. It's an active process, a nocturnal symphony of restoration and renewal that underpins our ability to thrive in our waking hours. So, let's delve into the science of sleep, uncovering the secrets behind this essential pillar of human health. Together, we'll explore the profound benefits of a good night's rest, the consequences of sleep deprivation, and practical tips for achieving restful slumber. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of sleep, unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves in the process. As we drift off to sleep, our brains don't simply power down. Instead, they transition through a series of distinct stages, each characterized by unique brainwave patterns and physiological changes. This intricate sleep architecture is essential for reaping the full restorative power of sleep. One of the key players in this nocturnal symphony is the hormone melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone. As darkness descends, our brains ramp up melatonin production, signaling to our bodies that it's time to wind down for the night. Melatonin levels continue to rise throughout the night, peaking in the early morning hours before gradually declining as dawn approaches. Another crucial aspect of sleep science is the interplay between two key processes: sleep homeostasis and the circadian rhythm. Sleep homeostasis refers to the body's natural drive to sleep, which increases the longer we stay awake. Our circadian rhythm, on the other hand, is our internal biological clock, regulating our sleep-wake cycle, hormone release, and other bodily functions over a roughly 24-hour period. Understanding these fundamental principles of sleep science is essential for appreciating the profound impact sleep has on our physical and mental health. From bolstering our immune system to enhancing cognitive function, the benefits of sleep are far-reaching and essential for living a healthy, fulfilling life. Our sleep is not a monolithic state, but rather a dynamic process, cycling through different stages throughout the night. Each stage, from light sleep to deep sleep and REM sleep, plays a unique role in restoring and rejuvenating our bodies and minds. As we transition from wakefulness to sleep, we enter the first stage of sleep, known as NREM1, non-rapid eye movement 1. This stage is characterized by a slowing of brainwaves and muscle activity. It's a relatively light stage of sleep from which we can be easily awakened. As sleep deepens, we progress into NREM2, where brainwaves continue to slow and eye movements cease. This stage is characterized by brief bursts of brain activity known as sleep spindles, thought to play a role in memory consolidation. Deeper still is NREM3, often referred to as slow-wave sleep or deep sleep. This stage is characterized by very slow brainwaves and is the most restorative stage of sleep. During deep sleep, our bodies repair and rebuild tissues, release growth hormone, and strengthen our immune system. Finally, we enter the most enigmatic stage of sleep, REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and muscle paralysis. REM sleep is when vivid dreams are most likely to occur, and it's thought to play a crucial role in memory processing, emotional regulation, and learning. Throughout the night, we cycle through these stages multiple times, with each cycle lasting approximately 90 minutes. Understanding the architecture of sleep is essential for appreciating the complex interplay of processes that occur while we slumber. The benefits of sleep extend far beyond simply feeling rested. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, regulating our mood, boosting our immune system, and enhancing cognitive function. During sleep, our bodies work tirelessly to repair and rebuild tissues, release growth hormone, and restore energy levels. This process of physical restoration is essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall physical health. Sleep also plays a vital role in regulating our mood and emotions. During sleep, our brains process emotional experiences from the day, promoting emotional stability and resilience. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, has been linked to an increased risk of mood disorders, such as anxiety and depression. Furthermore, sleep is essential for a robust immune system. While we sleep, our bodies produce cytokines, proteins that help fight off infection and inflammation. Sleep deprivation weakens our immune defenses, making us more susceptible to illness. Cognitive function also relies heavily on adequate sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, attention, and decision-making. When we're sleep-deprived, our cognitive abilities suffer, leading to impaired focus, poor judgment, and reduced creativity. In today's fast-paced world, sleep is often sacrificed in the pursuit of productivity and leisure. However, chronic sleep deprivation can have serious consequences for our physical and mental health, increasing our risk of chronic diseases and impairing our daily functioning. One of the most immediate consequences of sleep deprivation is impaired cognitive function. When we're sleep-deprived, our reaction time slows, our attention wanes, and our decision-making abilities become compromised. This can have serious implications in situations where alertness and focus are paramount, such as driving or operating machinery. Chronic sleep deprivation also increases our risk of developing serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Sleep deprivation disrupts our hormone balance, leading to increased appetite, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which contribute to these chronic conditions. Furthermore, sleep deprivation weakens our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies produce fewer infection-fighting cells, leaving us vulnerable to pathogens. The consequences of sleep deprivation extend beyond our physical health. Chronic sleep loss can also take a toll on our mental well-being, increasing our risk of mood disorders, such as anxiety and depression. It can also exacerbate existing mental health conditions, making it even more challenging to manage symptoms effectively. Our sleep-wake cycle is governed by an intricate interplay between our internal biological clock, known as the circadian rhythm, and external cues, primarily light and darkness. This internal clock, located in the hypothalamus of our brains, regulates a variety of bodily functions, including hormone production, body temperature, and sleep-wake cycles. Exposure to light, particularly sunlight, helps to reset our circadian rhythm each day, keeping it synchronized with the natural 24-hour cycle. When we're exposed to light, our brains suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone that promotes sleep. Conversely, as darkness falls, melatonin levels rise, signaling to our bodies that it's time to wind down for the night. Modern lifestyles, however, often disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle. Exposure to artificial light at night, particularly from electronic devices, can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Shift work and jet lag can also disrupt our circadian rhythm, leading to sleep disturbances and other health problems. Maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle is crucial for optimizing our health and well-being. By aligning our sleep patterns with our natural circadian rhythm, we can improve our sleep quality, boost our mood, and enhance our overall health. Section 7. The importance of sleep hygiene. Setting the stage for sound sleep. Establishing healthy sleep habits, often referred to as sleep hygiene, is essential for promoting restful slumber and reaping the full restorative benefits of sleep. By creating a conducive sleep environment and adopting consistent sleep-promoting routines, we can improve our chances of falling asleep easily and waking up feeling refreshed. One of the cornerstones of good sleep hygiene is maintaining a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day helps to regulate our body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling rested. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down for the night. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoiding screen time for at least an hour before bed is also crucial, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production. The sleep environment itself can also impact our sleep quality. Ensuring a cool, dark, and quiet bedroom can promote restful slumber. Using blackout curtains to block out light, earplugs to minimize noise, and keeping the bedroom temperature slightly cool can all contribute to a more sleep-conducive environment. In addition to environmental factors, certain lifestyle choices can also influence our sleep. Regular exercise can promote better sleep, but it's best to avoid strenuous activity close to bedtime. Caffeine and alcohol can also interfere with sleep, so it's best to limit consumption, especially in the hours before bed. Section 8. Common sleep disorders, when sleep goes awry. While many of us experience occasional sleep difficulties, persistent sleep problems could indicate an underlying sleep disorder. Sleep disorders are a group of conditions that affect the ability to sleep well on a regular basis. These disorders can have a significant impact on our daytime functioning, mood, and overall health. One of the most common sleep disorders is insomnia, characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. Insomnia can be acute, lasting for a few days or weeks, or chronic, persisting for a month or longer. Stress, anxiety, depression, and certain medications are common triggers of insomnia. Another prevalent sleep disorder is obstructive sleep apnea, a condition in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This occurs when the muscles in the back of the throat relax too much, obstructing the airway. Loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, and excessive daytime sleepiness are common signs of sleep apnea. Restless leg syndrome is a neurological disorder characterized by an irresistible urge to move the legs, often accompanied by uncomfortable sensations. These symptoms typically worsen at night, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Narcolepsy is a chronic neurological disorder that affects the brain's ability to control sleep-wake cycles. People with narcolepsy experience excessive daytime sleepiness and may fall asleep suddenly, even during activities like driving or working. If you suspect you may have a sleep disorder, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Treating underlying sleep disorders can significantly improve sleep quality, reduce daytime sleepiness, and enhance overall health and well-being. Section 9. Prioritizing sleep, a prescription for a healthier you. In a world that often glorifies busyness and productivity, sleep is often relegated to the bottom of our priority list. However, prioritizing sleep is not a luxury. It's an investment in our physical and mental health, enhancing our cognitive function, emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. Making sleep a priority requires a conscious effort to establish healthy sleep habits and create a sleep-conducive environment. This may involve setting boundaries around work and social commitments, limiting screen time in the hours before bed, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. By prioritizing sleep, we're not just giving our bodies the rest they need to function optimally, we're also investing in our long-term health and well-being. Adequate sleep reduces our risk of chronic diseases, improves our mood, boosts our immune system, and enhances our cognitive abilities. So make sleep a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the power of sleep. Sleep, often overlooked and undervalued, is an indispensable pillar of human health and well-being. From its profound impact on our physical health to its crucial role in shaping our cognitive function and emotional resilience, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. As we've explored the fascinating science of sleep, we've uncovered the intricate processes that occur while we slumber, restoring and rejuvenating our bodies and minds. We've delved into the consequences of sleep deprivation, highlighting its detrimental effects on our physical and mental health. The good news is that we have the power to improve our sleep. By understanding the science of sleep, establishing healthy sleep habits, and seeking professional help for sleep disorders, we can unlock the transformative power of sleep, enhancing our health, well-being, and overall quality of life. So, tonight, as you drift off to sleep, remember the incredible journey your body and mind are about to embark on. Embrace the power of sleep and wake up to a healthier, happier you.